Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest new tools and technology that you can use to supercharge your website game and increase your online presence. In today's video, we're diving into a powerful tool that's been a game changer for businesses and marketers, and that's Brevo, formerly known as Sendinblue. Brevo is a digital marketing platform that helps businesses of all sizes with their customers through email, SMS, chat, and more. It offers a wide range of features that we're going to talk about today as well. So whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out with the email marketing, you're in the right place. We're going to explore Sendinblue, its features, benefits, and how you can supercharge your email marketing efforts. But before we jump right in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest marketing tips and tech reviews. Okay, let's get started. So what is Brevo? Brevo is an all-in-one marketing platform that primarily focuses on email marketing, but it also offers a wide range of other marketing and communication tools. Some of Brevo's key features and capabilities include email marketing. So Brevo provides a user-friendly email marketing platform that allows users to create and track email campaigns. It offers a drag-and-drop email builder, customizable templates, and automation features for setting up email sequences and workflows. In addition to email, Brevo also enables SMS marketing, allowing businesses to reach their audience through text messages. This can be useful for time-sensitive promotions or engagement. You can add live chat to your website to provide customer support and answer questions in real time. And you can manage your customer's relationship with a built-in CRM system that tracks interaction, segment your audience, and create personalized campaigns. You can also create custom landing pages. You can integrate with various third-party tools and platforms, including e-commerce, CMS systems, and customer support software. And there's really flexible pricing plans that Brevo offers, including a free tier with limited features and paid plans based on the number of emails sent or subscribers. Sendinblue, or also known as Brevo, is a popular choice for businesses because it offers affordability, easy to use, and offers a wide range of features as well. It's also good for choice for businesses that are growing rapidly, as it can scale to meet the needs of any kind of business as well. So let's get started with Brevo. So this is the Brevo website. So Brevo in 2023 rebranded to Brevo. They were formerly known as Sendinblue, but this is essentially Brevo's website. You can sign up for free. You can sign up with your business email. They'll ask you a few questions to get you started, to get you onboarded. And then once you're done, you can start logging in with Google, with Apple, or with the email address and password that you logged in with, that you signed up with. So this is the Brevo dashboard, and everything is really clear, everything is really easy to use, and everything is really sort of in front of you and explains everything as well. The dashboard is your central location where you can view all of your marketing data and insights, and it provides a comprehensive overview of your email campaign, SMS campaigns, chat conversions, CRM data, anything like that. You have the actual overview. You've got a section for your campaigns where you can see all the different type of campaigns that you might have had, and you can also see the average amount of opens, clicks, and block lists as well. There is a section for all your contacts as well, and this will provide a detailed overview of all your contacts, including their email addresses and phone numbers or anything like that. Then you have the segment section as well, and this section allows you to create and manage segments of your contact list so that you can send targeted messages. And then you also have the automations and conversions as well. And all of that is basically an overview of everything that you might need while using the Brevo dashboard. It's a powerful tool that can help track your marketing performance and make informed decisions about your campaigns. It's really easy to use and provides a comprehensive overview of all of your marketing data. So overall, the Brevo dashboard is valuable, and it can help you track your marketing performance and make informed decisions about your campaigns and improve your overall marketing ROI. So let's get started with making a campaign. What we're going to do is go into the campaign section, and we are going to create a campaign. we have to decide which kind of campaign we want. If it's an SMS, we can send WhatsApp campaigns, Facebook ads, or web push. We are just going to do an email campaign. And we are going to call the campaign for a new website launch. And we are going to create a campaign. And you want to add recipients. So you want to make sure you have all of your contacts added and in segments or in the list as well. And when you're on the free version, you are limited to about 300 emails. Then you need to add a subject. And you can see how this is a preview of what people might see whenever they first have that in the inbox. You can also use AI to help write the content for you. And then you can start designing your email template. They are templates that you can use or you can just start from scratch. We are going to go into template gallery and we are going to see if there's anything that we can use here. And you can preview each of the templates as well. And then the drag and drop designer will open up, and then you can design your email campaign really easily, however way you want. And then once you're done, you just want to click on save and quit. And then you want to actually add some advanced settings. So you want to add Google Analytics to track everything. You want to embed images. And you want to use, you can use tags as well to enable quick searches, and you can ignore list custom as well. And then all you need to do is click on schedule to schedule the campaign. Overall, it's really easy to use the drag and drop builder, and it's really easy to sort of set up your first scheduling as well. You are limited in what you can do with the free version, but there's still quite a lot that you can do to test out before you decide to commit to a paid plan as well. So now let's talk a little bit about pricing. So Brevo does offer a flexible pricing plans. To find out the pricing, you just go into Brevo's website and click on pricing. So Brevo really offers 3 pricing plans. There's the Starter, Business, and Brevo Plus. They also have a free pricing plans that'll let you send 300 emails every day. You still get the drag and drop editor, and you still get the SMS and WhatsApp campaigns. But the starter plan starts about £16 a month, and you can send up to 20,000 emails a day. You'll have some basic reporting and analytics, and you'll also get the email support. The business one is a little bit more expensive. It jumps quite a bit from £40 a month, and that'll send you again from 20,000 emails a month, but you get a bit more of the marketing automation, you get more advanced statistics, you get multi-user access, so it's a lot more feature friendly. And the Brevo Plus is basically custom pricing. You get all of the features of the business plan, plus Brevo plus great security. You get advanced integration, tailored onboarding, and you get a lot more personalized support as well. So you'll need to contact Brevo in order to get that as well. You can also add additional features to any plan. You can add, for example, removing Brevo branding for their £8 a month. You can add SMS and WhatsApp campaigns. You can add email credits as well. So it's really flexible in that you can tailor a plan exactly to how you want it as well. If you're just starting out with email marketing, the free and the starter plan is a good option. It offers quite a lot of the essential features that you need to get started at an affordable price. If you have a larger email list or need more advanced features, the business plan is a good option. It offers unlimited emails per month, marketing automation, A/B testing, and a lot more. If you have a larger complex business, the Brevo Plus is probably a better option. It offers all the features of a Brevo plan plus advanced security, integration, and support, but it's just need to watch out for what your budget is, as it is custom pricing, and it is something that you'll need to talk to sales teams for, and they'll give you an exact pricing as well. As mentioned before, you can try any of the paid plans for 30 days, and that's a good way to try out the features and see if Brevo is the right platform for you. Or you can even just stick with the free plan, and you see how well that goes as well with the features. So here are some pros and cons of Brevo. First one, that it's a very affordable pricing compared to some of the other email marketer platform out there, especially because it offers a lot more than just email marketing. There's also SMS, CRM, live chat, and things like that. It's quite an easy to use interface, as we've seen with the drag and drop builder. They have a wide range of features, including email marketing, SMS marketing, chat, and CRM. And it's scalable to meet the needs of the business of any sizes. And also there's a free plan available, which means that you get to really test out some of the features and get used to Brevo before committing to a paid plan. Some drawbacks of using Brevo though is that some features are only available on the paid plan. That means if you're really wanting to test out a certain feature, you may need to upgrade to a paid plan before going for that as well. Some reviews have said that delivery rates have been inconsistent in the past, and customer support can be slow at times to respond. Overall, Brevo is a really good option for businesses of all sizes looking for an affordable and easy to use digital marketing platform. It offers a wide range of features to help you connect with your customers and grow out your business, but it's important to note that some features are only available on the paid plans, and delivery rates have been inconsistent in the past. Additionally, customer support can be slow, so if you are considering using Brevo, I recommend trying the free plan first to see if it's the right platform for your needs. You can also read reviews from other users to get their insights on the pros and cons of the platform. And there you have it, folks. That's a wrap on our exploration of Brevo. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this content and want to stay updated on the latest marketing tips and tech reviews, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. It really means a lot. If you have any questions about Brevo or any other topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And thank you for tuning in. Until next time, keep sending those awesome campaigns with Brevo. Take care.